Hi, I'm Jim, the Grumpy Plumber, and I wanted to show you what a one-piece Toto toilet looks like. And we happen to have it in one of our other bathrooms.
Hi, my dad Jim has been a plumber for 48 years. He's a master plumber in Michigan and a C36 licensed plumbing contractor in California. He has saved my wife and I thousands of dollars. But you just gotta watch out. He gets a little bit grumpy when he's giving advice, so don't piss him off.
Since we've just redone this bathroom, that we put a wall-mounted faucet on, so you don't have a deck mounted anymore, a little higher vanity and stuff. I mean, this is kind of like the way to go nowadays. I don't know about this, but one thing about it, my wife loves, you don't have to clean that off there, you wipe it all off. Over here is an older style Toto washless toilet seat, and this is a control to it. Here, it's on the wall, the older ones had it. It's easy to use, you push it on and off, whatever you gotta do, you're doing with it. And has a fan, which they all have a fan that you can use to dry yourself off. Now, we're going to show you what the insides of the toilet looks like. It is basically the same thing as a toilet drake is, but it's a different, you have to order the correct part for it, the flush valve on it, okay? You can't just use the same one like you have downstairs, you know, that I have down in the other one. So you have to get the correct one. Same way, click it off, click it on, and put it back together again. The Fluid Master ball cock, once again, I like those, has a different flush handle to it. Down over here, it hooks up basically the same thing to it. The shut-off valve is down there. The water line goes to it. This shows you what a one-piece looks like. Very simple as far as I'm concerned to repair on it. Another thing with this toilet I'm going to bring up quickly is that it hooks up a little different. If you were to look at this, it has a toilet flange underneath it, but it has a different device that you put their flange in, and then you lift it over, and it drops into a 3-inch hole, and that's where when it flushes, it goes down. So you can kind of use this toilet in a different rough-ins. But that's it. I think you'll love it. If you don't like it, and if you don't like what I said about it, hey, go and ask the guy next door. He's always willing to talk to you. Thank you.